Bundling products on Amazon is advantageous because now what you're doing is you're differentiating yourself from the competition and you're adding value, which is two of the things that I constantly preach. Now, it's not mandatory, but it is a very good strategy depending on the product or the category that you're selling in. So how do we bundle products? One of the most frequently asked questions I get is, Josh, what if my supplier does not have the product that I want to bundle? Or if they do, how does the whole process work? So first and foremost, if the product you want to bundle, your supplier does not offer and you have to get it from another supplier, the way that you're going to do this is you're going to have your main supplier who's manufacturing your main product receive the product from the other supplier. So for instance, let's just say that you are launching a yoga mat and you want to include a foam roller, right? An exercising, stretching foam roller, and they don't make the foam roller, somebody else does, but your main product is a yoga mat. You would find the supplier that makes the foam roller and have them send it to the yoga mat manufacturer. Since they're within China, shipping is very cheap because usually it's by truck, right? First and foremost, you want to ask that supplier, do they make it? If not, do they know someone that makes it? If not, then you want to do the research, right? Because we want this to be as easy and least complicated as humanly possible. Now, once that supplier receives your product, they're going to bundle it in the packaging and they're going to ship it to Amazon, just normally like as if you were to launch one single product. When you have a bundled product, it doesn't require a separate ASIN or separate packaging or anything additionally. Everything is done the same way as if it's one product because it is one product. It's just a bundle, or you're increasing the amount of contents within that box. So if you want to bundle a product, again, to recap, number one, find out, does your supplier or manufacturer make that product? Number two, if not, can they source it for you, or do they know someone that can make it for you? If not, number three, then do your research, reach out to them, and then link those two suppliers together after you negotiate. That way they can do the shipping for you and you're all said and done. For more content and videos like this, make sure that you turn all of the notifications on my Instagram account. That way you're notified of every video, post, and live Q&A that I do. Also, check out more videos on my YouTube channel at Joshua Crisp on YouTube. There's over 100 plus videos similar to this in all around entrepreneurship. And for 50% off all services as well as softwares that AMZ Hunter offers, make sure you check out www.amzhunter.com and use promo code HUNTER50.